Discovery 4. It's actually an early Discovery 4, but we've changed the grille and the headlights to make it look like the post 2014 Discovery 4, and we've changed the bumper as well. So the 14 on Discovery 4 had this sort of square, but not quite, we'll have a corner off it, square shaped fog light in it. Now this is my Discovery 3. Now it's got one of our cunning, looks like a Discovery 4 grille. If you look at the grills, they look the same, but this grille is designed to fit with the Discovery 3 headlight. Now, we're always trying to make our Discovery 3s look more 4-like. Why not? So, the one thing that lets the Discovery 3, our Discovery 3, what gives it away, is these very round fog light bezels in this beautiful carbon effect. Yes. Right, so we're going to show you today our latest product, and I leaked it before, so people knew it was coming, and it is these Disco 4 sort of look fog light bezels for a Discovery 3, and they fit on the same way as the Discovery 3 bezels. They just pop on. Right, we've moulded an RH, and hopefully I haven't checked this one. Here we go. Right, hopefully it should say RH. We've gone wrong here, Tyler.
Or is it the right hand side of the...
No, they're both the same. I've managed to get a pair of both the same ones. Hold on, let's edit that bit out. And the other one should say LH. There you go, for left hand. So we are going to show how to fit these and how to remove those. So let me grab this one. Right, so they're dead easy to remove these. So you've got actually a little sort of finger hole. I don't know if it's there to help you sort of whoop these out or not, Tyler. I don't know what but you can get in there and sometimes the spring clips, you might hear a doing, where these little metal, that one's bent there, look. But it doesn't matter. Some of them ping off inside. But it doesn't matter because on the new one, you have got all the clips there pre-fitted. And you've still got the little handy finger hole. There you go. Now, the cutouts, if I clean it a bit, you can see there are cutouts. So when you put it in, you do have to get it in the right orientation for the cutouts to link up. And then you should be able to give that a pop there. And that, there we go, give it a clean. That pops in, and that gives you a sort of Discovery 4 look for your Discovery 3 without the need for any tools or anything.
One day we won't be able to tell the difference at all.
Well, yes, one day it will morph entirely into a Discovery 4. So there we go. Hope you like that. We'll get those on the website.